What's up, guys? It is a beautiful day outside. I'm chilling. I'm doing a little video comparing apples to BAPPLEs. That's right. So we got BAPPLE here, right? Super popular now. This stuff sells out, at least in my area, all the time. Having to find a case. And when it was sold out and I couldn't find a case, I saw this. So Keystone has their own light apple to kind of directly compete. This is cheaper. All right, by me, it's a 15 pack. I forget, I'm not gonna quote prices, but you get way more beer for less money. So I grabbed 2 glasses, which are not the appropriate beer glasses, but they are clear. So just in case these things look a little different, you'll be able to tell. All right, I'm doing this all one-handed on my cell phone, so bear with me. All right, we got the Keystone. And we got the Bush. All right, so they both look like a urine sample. All right. Okay. So first, the BAPPLE that I'm used to, right? Which is great stuff. Smells like apple juice. Let's give it a taste. Man, that's refreshing stuff. I think the reason why this is so popular is because this does not taste like beer. This is beer. It doesn't taste like beer. It tastes like apple soda, apple juice with some carbonation and a little bit of funk at the end. And then Keystone. So what's Keystone bringing to the table since it's a lot cheaper? Let's see. This doesn't smell as appley. So I'm not getting apple juice. I'm getting, there's apple there, but it's like really subtle. All right, I'm going in. Yeah. So honestly, these are, I should say the Keystone Light is close. It's not the same. This definitely tastes more like beer. So this is beer with an apple flavor. This is carbonated alcoholic apple juice. All right. This definitely wins, but it's hard to find and it is expensive. And they only make it for a short period of time, then it's gone. Now I can't imagine they're gonna make this year round. This is probably gonna be limited too, even though it doesn't say it on the can like Bush does. Bush is like, you gotta get it. You gotta get it now. But yeah, I mean, if you can't find that, that's okay. But I would definitely pick that over this one, and I would definitely pay a couple extra bucks for it. It's that much better. But it is a substitute, so it's interesting. Interesting they did that to compete. So that's it. Just quick and dirty video on top of the truck bed here. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Do you get down with the BAPPLE? I know I had a comment. Someone says, don't fruit my beer. Yeah, I get that too. Sometimes you want beer, it just tastes like beer. But again, if you're not a huge beer person, but you're at a party, everyone's drinking beer or something, you don't know what to bring, try that. I'm telling you, it's pretty damn good. It's just more like a really good cheap cider than it is beer. You do not taste beer. So anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon with another video. Take care.